Okay, so now we're going to find the second compartment, the second extensor compartment. So in terms of anatomy, if we look at the wrist, yeah, I put my finger on the dorsal radius here, and I can feel a little hard nodule, which is the Listus tubercle. The Listus tubercle is an area that we use to navigate because we know that the second extensor compartment is right next to it. So I'm going to put my probe right on this, and then we can see the Listus tubercle right in the middle of our screen. And then if I move a little bit more towards the thumb, then we see this little facet, yeah, and it has this really interesting sort of dual appearance, so that each of the two tendons that you see here, extensor carpi radialis, longus and brevis, is right next to each other on those facets, and they have this typical appearance here, which is really specific for these tendons, so you can't miss it really. So again, we're on the Listus tubercle, and then we're moving towards the thumb, and we can now see those two tendons in that compartment, and that's basically how you find it.